Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the Midea air conditioner remote not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you can do is simply replace the batteries with the new ones. Just make sure that they are inserted in the correct direction. Weak or misaligned batteries are the most common causes of it is not working properly. Now you need to point the remote directly at the AC unit. Make sure that there is no obstacles blocking the signal. You can also test the remote using your phone camera. For that, simply press a button and check if the IR light flashes. Afterwards, simply remove the batteries from the remote for wait for about 30 seconds and then insert them again. So what this is going to do is it is going to reset the remote and the AC. If you want to reset the AC, you need to unplug the AC and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then restart it. This is going to help reset both the devices. After that, you need to simply use the manual power button on the AC unit to check if it works. If the unit responds but the remote doesn't, that means that the remote may be faulty or it need replacement. So you can try these quick and easy fixes and see your Midea AC remote now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.